Hey guys, it's Lauren. Alright, so for today, as per usual, I'm making it up as I go. I have like a general kind of color scheme in mind. My skin is garbage, in case you couldn't tell. Like, so the color scheme I think I'm gonna go with is gonna be like lime, turquoise, hot pink, and like a purpley maybe.
I don't know, where did I literally just put that?
Okay, I'm gonna use the Bare Minerals concealer stick that I have for my red spots, of which there are many today. So now that I've evened out my red spots a little bit, use my Colourpop concealer in Fair 00, which is literally just white. I'm just gonna brush it all over my eyelid. Do I want to use a brush? I'm gonna use a blender because again, I'm lazy. I don't know why I was holding the brush that whole time. I'm also gonna use my Colourpop brow gel and gel my brows, if that wasn't clear. Sometimes my brows do not want to cooperate. Today is apparently one of those days.
You guys were not bartenders yesterday, were you?
Fluff brush. I think I'm gonna go with yellow. So I'm gonna use B from the James Charles Morphe palette. Just gonna use that brush and use the leftover and dip into Jeffree and the Sephora Pro palette. Now I'm going to take a little bit of Helen P from the Sephora Pro palette. I'm also going to take a bit of Sean, which is like a teal. And I'm going to go into a little bit of Single, I think, from the James Charles Morphe palette. Maybe a little bit of Escape. Just gonna use my little blending brush, some of Flashback. I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna take my Morphe micro brow gel or pencil. I'm an idiot. And latte. Don't really know what I'm doing with this right now. I feel like I want a really big, like black thick liner. But I don't know if I want to do like a white little cut crease over it. I don't know. Can I phone a friend? Hello? Security? Alright, now I'm going to use some of my foundation. We got foundation hair. We got foundation hair, people. Code red. Code red. I'm kidding, it's fine. It was like 2 hairs. Little do I know I've got like a foundation head on the back that's gonna be noticeable in 20 minutes. Oh. So now I'm going to use my Colourpop translucent powder. Alright, now I'm going to use my Colourpop Private Party Bronzer, which is literally the only bronzer I use. Onto blush. The blush. It's just rom-com, Colourpop. I feel like I might do something like a blonde talkie inspired liner because this is so up. I feel like I want to go up and down maybe. Alright, well, pretty far into this and I've barely finished my eyes, but you know, we're almost there, kids. Alright, I'm going to use Jeffree Star Diva on my lower lash line. I'm kind of feeling this liner, to be honest. But I could not do it every day. I don't know how you do this, Blonde Talkie. So now I'm going to take and pack Skip under my eye. I put my mascara on. I think I'm also going to use Diva to kind of like paint my lower lashes. I think I want to put some little chrome stars on it. I don't know why. I'm just getting this idea. Nobody asks me questions anymore because I don't know the answers. So I felt like doing that. Maybe I'll do Morphe Rodeo. So like that. I'm gonna use Colourpop Boy Next Door. Okay, so now to do black lip. Purple.
Gotcha, bitch!
That is it for this look.
It's somehow like rainbowy and like dark at the same time, and I'm really happy. I'm really feeling this like downturned eye. Leave a comment if you liked it, or if you like Blonde Talkie, or if you feel anything at all.
Bruh.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.